Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Rain and I'm here to talk about land loss. One example of land loss are dams. Dams were put in place to control waterways and they're very helpful, although they are very harmful. Some ways that they are harmful is they control the waterways, and waterways are supposed to move from place to place and they'll build up land. The dams are keeping it from moving, and also they're stopping the sediment from building up at the end of the river or on the sides. They're just wearing away and controlling the sediment, and it's not helping us at all. Let's move to Mr. Green to talk more about land loss.
Hello there, I'm Mr. Green, and I'm here to talk to you about saltwater intrusion. Saltwater intrusion kills plants and loses up the soil every year. Let's talk to Mr. Rain.
Thank you, Mr. Green, for that awesome information. I am back to talk more about land loss. Another example of land loss, of course, other than saltwater intrusion and dams, would be levees. Levees stop flooding from happening, which flooding is bad but also good. It's good because it keeps everything from eroding and it builds up sediment like it's supposed to. Sadly, with the levees stopping it from flooding, erosion is occurring and it's not stopping. That's not good. Let's go back to Mr. Green for more information on land loss.
Hello there, I'm Mr. Green, and I'm here to talk to you about land subsidence. Land subsidence is the gradual setting or sudden sinking of Earth's surface, allowing the surface to go under the water. We lose a football field every 45 minutes.
Thanks, Mr. Rain. One more reason for land loss is sea level rising. When the sea rises, it gets closer to the coast. This can cause land subsidence. Back to you, Mr. Rain.
Thank you, Ms. Stormy, for that information. Let's look at a couple ways to prevent land loss. One way are jetties and groins to slow down waves and allow land to build up. Another way is to recycle actual Christmas trees to build up the marshes. Let's send it over to Mr. Green to handle this one.
Thank you, Mr. Rain, for that information. Another way to prevent erosion is building seawalls.
Thank you, Mr. Green, for that great information. Let's send it to Miss Stormy and let the weather come in.
Thanks, Mr. Rain. It is important to stop erosion because we are losing around 130 yards of land each hour. At this rate, we will lose the Louisiana that we love if we don't try to prevent it. Back to you, Mr. Rain.
Thank you, Miss Stormy, for that awesome information on why it's important to stop erosion. Have a good one, folks.
Bloopers, boy.
Here. Oh, God. Thank you, Mr. Green, for that awesome info. Let's consider more bad reasons for land loss. Oh, God.
Thanks, Mr. Rain. One more reason on it. Oh, God. Thank you, Miss. Okay, I forgot.
Thank you, Miss Stormy, for information on ways to stop the, that's not it. Don't stop the video. Don't stop the video. You wanna go?
Thank you, Mr. Rain. Some more information on why it is important to prevent. Stop.
Time. So, I'm moving at a drizzling speed. Thank you very much. Tell me when, honey.
Land subsidence, okay. Oh, we roll?
Say something.
I'm sexy and no.
Dance, bro.
No.